Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. About to tinker on lemonade, put in these new seats I got. As you can see, the door check strap's not working. This is a parking lot at the hotel. Man, somebody's got a U-Haul here with the tow hitch laying on the ground. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. I wonder if this U-Haul's supposed to be here. Anyway, let me get cracking on replacing these seats I pulled out of the salvage yard. I need to take Diane to the store and I don't even have a place for her to sit. This car is so full of stuff. I'm gonna replace these seats, strip the old seats down and ship them to somebody that wants them, and get a place cleaned out for Diane to sit so I can take her to the store grocery shopping. Talked to my body guy today. He said he could fix those dog-eared hood ends. While I was at the show, I taped a couple of things to the hood of the car. The paint is so dry that the tape stuck to the car. So now I got to try to get that off with some goop off or something. Look at that. 6-7 pieces of tape. Golly, making life hard for myself. Hard for myself. Heck, it might come off in the sun. Anyway, back to what I'm doing. Looks like I am not going to get to go to work today, so I'll cost myself another day's labor and whatnot, but I'm going to try to replace these seats without taking all this stuff out the back. So let me get cracking on that. As you can see, I have a rear wing here for an $850. It's got a good light in it. I'll sell that thing for $100 plus shipping if somebody wants it. One down, one to go. Wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I lift the seat up in the front, got the 2 bolts out the front, slid the seat all the way forward, lift the back up, got the bolts out the back. Probably should have lowered the seat back down and reclined it forward to get it out easier, but it came out pretty easy. And look, didn't have to remove all that mess. But I'm gonna clean some of this up real quick. Remember, before you remove these seats or move them around, take that clip out of there and put it in here, or reattach the side trim piece so you don't trip that airbag and blow the side of this seat open. All done and cleaned up. Now I need to run those parts up to the salvage yard and see if I can find a place to get that tire replaced. I can see that bubble from here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.